Hey everyone. Looking for really cheap web hosting that actually works? Hostpapa claims to offer some of the lowest cost plans out there, almost hitting that $1 mark. But is it really worth it? In this review, I'll break down pricing, features, performance, and drawbacks, so you'll know if Hostpapa is the right budget host for you. What is Hostpapa? Hostpapa is a shared web hosting provider designed for beginners, small business owners, and bloggers. They highlight affordability, reliable servers, and 24/7 support, making it attractive if you're starting your first website. Pricing and the $0.95 claim now about that $0.95 price tag. While you may see promos online, Hostpapa's entry-level Essentials plan usually starts around $2.95 per month. True 95-cent deals are rare and often tied to temporary coupons, so don't expect $0.95 as a standard option. Key features. On the Essentials plan, you get hosting for 2 websites, 50 gigabytes NVMe storage, up to 10 email addresses, free SSL certificate, free domain for the first year, in many cases, 30-day money-back guarantee, performance and support. Hostpapa guarantees 99.9% uptime, and in most cases, it delivers decent reliability and speed for small sites. Their Papa Squad support team is available 24/7 via chat, phone, and email, and reviews often mention helpful, responsive agents. Drawbacks. Here's where Hostpapa falls short. The promo price jumps up on renewal extras like backups and malware protection cost more. Entry-level resources can't handle heavy traffic. The dashboard feels a little outdated compared to top competitors. Pros: affordable intro pricing, solid basic features, SSL, storage, email, reliable uptime and responsive support. Cons: no regular $0.95 plan, higher renewal prices, limited resources, and extra costs for advanced features. So, is Hostpapa the best, cheapest hosting? If you're just starting out and need a reliable, low-cost solution, it's a solid option. But if you expect high performance, heavy traffic handling, or advanced features included, you may want to look at other hosts. That's my quick review of Hostpapa. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's more important to you, price, speed, or reliability? And check the description for any latest deals. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.